Everyone, welcome to my video. I'm going to show you how to set up this thing. This is a soldering stand I bought from AliExpress. Don't know if you can see. Yeah, that's the name, helping hand, whatever. Join me in this video and see how I set it up. And please kindly subscribe to my channel. I'm new to this, so I'm learning. I just wanted to show, in case someone might be interested in buying this thing. This is how I set it up. Yeah. So from the video, from the picture, you can see this thing comprises of three things. There's this main frame which holds the magnifier. There is this stand for the soldering iron, and there are these hands, the arms, which are able to grip the thing you're soldering. So this thing doesn't come set up fully. It comes in pieces. This is the main body. This is the holder for the soldering iron. This is the thing, and these are the components which make up the arms of the soldering. This one. So let me put them here so that you can see. Here it is. So how you set this thing up? As you can see, it contains a lot of small pieces, and this is where the tricky part comes in. Because when the first time I had to learn, it was a trial and error because I couldn't understand the instructions properly. But thankfully I managed, and since I managed, I don't want you to suffer. I'm already here with a solution to help you. So the first thing, as you can see from the body, there is this arm, this paw from here. This one, this will be the thing. So I advise, as this will be the first thing you connect. So how you connect this? Let me put this here. There is this part here and this thing, but as you can see, how does it connect? There is no connection here, so you have to use these things. This thing, it works like this. Let me show you just quickly. There is this, and also there are these things. These, I don't know what kind of grips are these, but you have to start first. Take one. These grips, these. To make it pass through inside. Yeah, it has to pass. Here it is. So after it passes, you tie it down. Just like this, you have set up this part here. This part. So, but if you can see, this part has this knob shape, and also this part from here has this knob shape. How do you connect these two together? How this thing works? You know, this thing. So you just have to unscrew, just like this. You unscrew, open it, and then it has to take one ball, put it here, and then also the other part just to connect to this part here, like that. And then once you do that, just screw. Let me do it again. I lost focus. Let me bend it. So this and this here. Let me tighten it a bit. Ah, this thing is very hard to do. Just looks simple. Takes a lot of patience and precision, but I've managed. Then you can just twist it. You can also put it like this. Wonderful. This part is done. Whee. So I can tighten it further, and also this thing, it has a knob here, knob screw. You can just tie it so that if you, wherever you want it to go, this thing can move up and down. So anyway, you want to set it up, it's up to you. So here, I'm done. Yeah, for the meantime, I'll just position it this side so that the right faces away from me. And then now comes the part where you put the arms. So even for the arms, you have to start with this. You have to unscrew it first. Unscrew, unscrew, unscrew. Do it for one. Then for the other arm, you do it. So as you saw from what I was doing on this connection by using this thing, even for the arms, as you can see, this part of the arm has this round ball, even the corner has a round ball. So you have to use another one of these. Just do it fast. And just put it here. Okay, this part tied for the meantime. I also have to put for this part. So I have to set up for this part. Here. So these things have been set up also, and just arrange them so that they look neat. Also, arrange this. I'm happy. Okay, let's move this like this, bam. So the setup here is done. Let me put the light like this. So as you can see, the setup is done, just like it was looking here. So the only things remaining, put the stand for the soldering iron. Just unscrew this part here. Then I dip it inside. Like this. So the setup is nearly complete, but forgetting one thing. This stand comes with LEDs which help illuminate the workpiece. They are inside here, but this one is not connected to any power source. It carries its own battery, so the batteries have to enter this part. I have batteries here. Let me demonstrate. So it takes three 1.5 volts batteries. These batteries, have to be 3 of them. So I set up one. 3 these batteries and close. Then the switch for the lights just behind the stand like this. And if you want to work on a workpiece, I'll demonstrate. So I'll take just this thing. It's just a charging module. Put. Okay, these things are movable. You can move them whatever direction you want, up, down, left, right. It's more like a 360. Maybe you have to put like this. You can move. Also the other grip, for example. And then you are working. You can position your magnifier. If you're not able to see, just turn on the light. And this magnifier has this part. This one is a 4x magnifier, so if you want to magnify very small things, you can put it here. It helps to magnify further. Don't know if you can see. Yeah, here. Just magnify it by 4 like this. I want to magnify small things. So that's all, guys, how you set this thing up. Let me demonstrate. So this is my soldering iron. Just put it like that. And everything here is complete as of now. So in case you have any question, this thing I bought it on AliExpress from Zambia. It was about 227 kwacha. I just put it around $14 USD by the time I was buying, because I don't know the dollar how much it's moving, but it was around that much. And for so far for me, it has been working good. I'm able to work on my components, small things, solder here and there, fix. I would recommend those people who are interested in this type of thing, hobby, business, or just for other related projects. You buy this thing to help you. That's